Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check screen time on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, you cannot directly check your screen time without using external softwares or without using Microsoft Family Safe. So, if you use the Microsoft Family Safety feature and turn it on, you can see the screen time. It is mainly used for parents to control their children's screen time. But without all those, I'm going to show you how to check your screen time. So just right click on your taskbar, and from here just click on Task Manager, and then just maximize this. Then just go to Performance. Then from here just go to CPU, and here you'll see the uptime. As you can see, my uptime is 3 hours and 43 minutes. That means my system has been running for 3 hours and 43 minutes. Now this doesn't necessarily mean this is my screen time. If I have been on my PC for all the 3 hours, then it relates to the screen time. Otherwise, it's just my system uptime. So if you don't restart your PC, it might go to 2-3 days, even 7 days, even months. So make sure to restart your PC and only keep your PC turned on when you use it. Then this uptime will show your screen time. And basically that is how to check your screen time on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.